guys, welcome back to Samantha's City Toy Fun, and today guys I'll be opening up this Inside Out Joy toy, like a little minifigure from, I got this from Toys R Us, and it was like 600 tickets, and it comes with like a little ball, a memory ball, and I'm gonna go get some scissors to open that up right now. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm just gonna be doing a little like first reactions and like a review on it. So here's the packaging. Joy has been Riley's lead emotion since day one. She sees life's challenges and as hiccups on the way to something great. So that's Joy. She's from Inside Out, and I was looking at this earlier. Sorry, I'm not. It's kind of hard to see it when it's on the camera. Okay, so I got the bag up, and now I'm just gonna pull her out. And then there's a little like collector's guide. I wanted Discuss, but they did not have her. But I like Joy better, or like equally, and that this is just like a little instructions with the light up console thingy. So let's take a quick look at the ball because we'll look at Joy last. So a little motion ball from the movie. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's just a really faint memory that my camera will not focus on. Now we're going to take a look at Joy. So she's still in here really good. And we're going to play Joy. And I just thought she was kind of cute. And I thought the box opening was a really good idea of it. Alright, so here she's out. Her arms move. Her dress does not come off. Her legs move, but do not like bend. Like you can't have her sit down or anything. She can't stand on her own. She's made of a really like rubbery like material. But we'll just look at the face. I mean, she looks pretty realistic. And she can, I don't think she can hold the ball, but, you know, for play purposes. Oh, she can. Or she kind of can. I think she might be able to. I think, okay, so she can hold it. Barely. But, so, I would definitely recommend this. It's cute. I just don't think it's made of the most expensive quality, but it's a pretty good quality option. And sorry it's really bad quality for the lighting. It happens to be very bad quality, and I apologize. It's very grainy. So thank you guys for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments please tell me if you would get this for 600 tickets. Thanks for watching.